Welcome back, children. Hope you're all ready for our maths lesson today. As you can see on the screen, today's lesson 3, is all about counting, adding, and laying out coins and notes. We are going to have a lot of fun with our maths lesson today. So are you ready? Good. Shall we start? Children, now we learnt about coins and notes used in Sri Lanka in your previous lesson. Can you remember? Good. If you can, tell me what are the coins and notes used in Sri Lanka? Let's refresh our memory. Coins used in Sri Lanka are 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and the 10 rupee coin. Now let's see what are the notes used in Sri Lanka. Notes used in Sri Lanka are 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, the 100 rupee note. Okay, children, now I'm going to show you some of the other notes that we use in Sri Lanka. Let's have a look. 500 rupee note, 1000 rupee note, and then we have the 5000 rupee note. Okay, children, now let's start out by learning to count coins. This is very easy. It's just simple addition. Let's start. Okay. First one. 2 rupees plus a 1 rupee coin equals how much? 2 plus 1 makes 3 rupees. Next one. 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. Very good. So the answer is 7 rupees. Next one. 2 rupees plus 1 rupee plus another 1 rupee. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 3 plus 1, we get 4. The answer is 4 rupees. Next example. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 1 rupee. So let's start with the first two coins. 10 plus 5 gives us 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16 rupees. Very good. Right, ready for the next one? 10 rupees plus 2 rupees plus another 2 rupees. Again, let's start with the first two coins. 10 plus 2 gives us 12. 12 plus another 2 gives us, yes, you're right, 14. 14 rupees. Okay, children. Now, let's move on to counting notes. This is also very simple for you because you already know how to count in tens. Let's start. First example, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees. Very easy. 20 plus 20 makes 40. Answer is 40 rupees. Second example, 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. 50 plus 20 gives us 70. Answer is 70 rupees. Next one, 50 rupees plus 20 rupees plus another 20 rupees. Now what should we do? First we count the two notes at the beginning. So 50 plus 20 gives us 70. 70 plus the next 20 makes 90. Answer is 90 rupees. Let's move on. The next example. 100 rupees plus 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. Let's see how to do this one. So 100 plus 50 makes 150, right? 150 plus another 20. So you keep 150 in your mind, take 2 fingers and you're going to count in 10. You're going to take 2 fingers for 20 rupees. So 150, 160, 170. What's the answer? 170 rupees. Next example, listen carefully children. 100 rupees plus 20 rupees plus another 20 rupees. Now what should we do first? We add the 100 and the 20, the two notes at the beginning. So 100 and 20 makes 120. Now you keep 120 in your mind. For 20 rupees you take 2 fingers and we are going to count. 120, 130, 140. So the answer is 140 rupees. Okay children, I hope you are listening very well so far. Now we are going to count coins and notes together. Okay, don't worry, it's very easy. Let's start. So this is Sam. Okay, Sam has 20 rupees, a 10 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. How much money does Sam have? Shall we count? Good. 20 and 10 makes 30. 30 and 1 gives us 31 rupees. Okay. This girl is Pam. Let's see what Pam has. She has 50 rupees, 5 rupees and 2 rupees. Let's count. 50 plus 5 makes 55. 55 plus 2 makes 57. So Pam has 57 rupees. Next is Anne. Anne has 50 rupees, a 20 rupee, 5 rupees altogether. Now let's see how much she has. 50 plus 20 makes 70 rupees. 70 plus 5 makes 75 rupees. So Anne has 75 rupees. Okay, let's see how much money Ben has. So Ben has 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. Let's count children. 50 plus 20 makes 70. Very good. 70 plus 10 makes 80. So Ben has 80 rupees. Now we come to Mary. Mary has 50 rupees, 20 rupees and another 20 rupees and 2 rupees. Okay, let's start. Nothing to worry. Okay, 50 plus 20 makes 70. Okay, now keep 70 in your mind. 70 plus the next 20 gives us, very good, 90. Now keep 90 in your mind and add the next 2. 90 plus 2 gives us 92. 92 rupees. Next person is Bob. Let's see what Bob has. He has 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees and a 1 rupee. Let's start. 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 in your mind. 70 plus the 10 gives us 80. Now 80 in your mind. 80 plus 1 gives you 81 rupees. So Bob has 81 rupees. Okay, children. Now you are good at counting notes and coins, aren't you? Now I'm going to teach you how to lay out coins and notes. What does this mean? Laying out coins and notes means finding out the coins and notes you need to make a given amount. I'll tell you an example. Okay, let's say that you are going to buy a piece of cake. The cake is 20 rupees, right? And Ammi can pay this amount in 2 ways. She can either pay it with a 20 rupee note, or let's say if Ammi doesn't have a 20 rupee note, how can she pay the 20 rupees? She can take 2 10 rupee notes, isn't it? Right. Now we are going to do few exercises on this, right? So laying out coins and notes. First example. Again, there is a piece of chocolate cake. How much is it? You can see the price. Very good. It's 25 rupees. Now, before you decide on the notes and coins you need, you separate this into tens and ones. So, 25 is made out of 20 and 5, right? So, then you easily know you need a 20 rupee note, isn't it? And what is the coin that you need? Very good. A 5 rupee coin. 20 and 5. Next one. Now there is a nice orange juice. How much is the orange juice? 32 rupees. Again break number 32 into tens and ones. We have 30 and 2. Now let's see how to make 30 rupees first. Now do we have a 30 rupee note? No, we don't. So first we are going to use a 20 rupee note. Now we need another 10 rupees to make 30, isn't it? Very easy. So we put a 10 rupee. Now we made the 30 rupees. Now what's left out? 2 rupees. There you go. Very well. Next one. Okay. We'll do this carefully step by step so that it nicely goes into your head. Okay. Now there's a cute little teddy bear. How much is the teddy bear? 72 rupees. Again, break 72 into tens and ones. When you break it into tens and ones, you get 70 and 2. First, let's make the 70. Do we have a 70 rupee note? No, we don't, right? Now, they have asked us to make 70 rupees using 2 notes. What are the 2 notes we can use? Yes, very good. We can use a 50 rupee and a 20 rupee, right? So now you have made the 70 rupees. Let's make the 2 rupee using 2 coins, right? How to make 2 rupee using 2 coins? Very good. You take a 1 rupee and another 1 rupee. Good. Let's move on with some more examples. Now we have a toy car. Now I'm sure the boys must be excited looking at it, isn't it? How much is the toy car? 95 rupees. Right. Again, now what should we do before we decide on the notes and coins to lay out? First, we have to break it into tens and ones. So 95, how do we make 95 with tens and ones? 90 and 5. Okay. So first, let's make the 90 rupees. To make the 90 rupees, you have been asked to use 3 notes. Right? Can you use a 100 rupee? No. So then first we are going to use a 50 rupee. Next, what note? Here's a 20 rupee note. Now 50 and 20 makes 70. So now it's clear that you need another 20 rupees, isn't it? Right. You have made the 90 rupees. Now what's left out? 5 rupees. So there is one coin there. What is the coin then? The 5 rupee coin. Very good, children. Next, now you have a pretty pencil box. How much is the pencil box? 64 rupees. Right. So you're going to make 64 using what? You can see the blank spaces. 1 note and 3 coins. Right. Before you lay out the notes and coins, what should you do? Break it into tens and ones. 60 and 4. Let's make the 60 first. So now you know without using a 20 rupee, we need to use a 50 rupee note. Right. Now we have another 10 rupees left to make the 60. Do we have a 10 rupee coin? Yes, we do. Right. 50 and 10. Now you have made the 60 rupees. Now we have to make 4 rupees using 2 coins. Can you guess what are the 2 coins? Very good. 2 rupee and another 2 rupee. There you go. Right. Ready for the next example? Right. Now it's a pretty little doll. How much is the doll? 86 rupees. And how are we supposed to make the 86? Using 2 notes and 4 coins. Right? Now don't worry. First of all, let's break 86 into tens and ones. Okay? 80 and 6. Right? Let's make 80 first. Right? So you know the first note that you are going to use is a 50 rupee note, right? Then the next one, can we use another 50 rupees? No, then it makes 100, isn't it? So we are going to use a 20 rupee notes. Now 50 and 20 makes 70, right? Now to make 80, what else do we need? Another 10 rupees, right? Do we have a 10 rupee note? No. So we have a 10 rupee coin. Now we have finished making 80. Now we are going to make 6 rupees using 3 coins. Now for this, if you put a 5 coin and a 1 rupee coin, will it be correct? No, because we have been asked to use 3 coins, right? So we are going to use 2 rupees, another 2 rupee and another 2 rupee. Now was that easy? Yes, it was, wasn't it? Okay, children. Now, we are going to do a little bit more counting of notes and coins. Okay? I know you are good at it now. Shall we start? Right. How much is the collection? Right? So, I am going to show you a mix of coins and notes and we are going to start adding it and check the total. Okay? There you go. Okay? So, we have 2 20 rupee notes, 2 10 rupee coins and 2 2 rupee coins. Now, you will think, this is a lot of notes and coins. This is too difficult for me. No, don't worry. Right? This is how we do it. First, we are going to add the notes together. Okay? So, the 2 notes, 20 and 20 gives us how much, children? 40 rupees, right? Now you can see the 2 10 rupee notes, 10 rupee coins are there, right? So to this 40 rupees, let's add another 2 tens. Very easy, right? 40 in your mind. Take 2 fingers for the 2 tens. Let's count. 40, 50, 60, right? Now keep 60 in your mind. Let's count the 2 other coins that are left. 2 and 2 makes 4. Very good. Now this 4 and the 60 in your mind makes 64. 64 rupees, isn't it? Very easy. Next one. Going to lay out the coins first. Right. These are the notes and the coins. Actually, there's only one note. We have a 50 rupee note, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, and 5 rupees. The coins are those. Right? Shall we start counting? Right. Keep the 5 rupees separately. Right? From 50, now you have 3 tens. Let's count in tens. 50 in your mind. Start counting. 60, 70, 80. Very good. Now 80 is there in your mind plus the 5 rupees. 85. Very good. Can you see how easy this is? Right. So it's 85 rupees. Ready for the next fun activity? There you go. Let's start. Okay. Now there's a lot of notes and coins, isn't it? Is it difficult? No, it's not difficult at all, right? Let's start. We have 3 20 rupee coins, a 20 rupee notes, a 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and a 2 rupee coin. Okay? Let's start adding the notes first. 20 and 20 makes 40. Very good. Now 40 in your mind. Count 20. Take 2 in your fingers for 20. Start counting 40, 50, 60. Right. Now 60 in your mind. Count this 10, 60, 70. Right. Now remember 70. Keep 70 in your mind. Okay. Add the 2 coins. 5 and 2 makes 7. Very good. So now what's the total? 70 and the 7 makes 77. Right? So what is the total? 77 rupees. I can see that you are doing very well. Okay? Very good, children. Right. Now I'm going to add some 100 rupees. Okay? Let's see. Very easy this one. 110. 110 makes, yes, very easy. 110 rupees. That was too easy for you. Next one. We have a 100 rupee, a 20 rupee, and a 5 rupee. First, let's count the notes. Okay. 100 and the 20 makes 120. Very good. Now, let's add the 5 rupee to the 120. 120 plus 5 gives us, yes, very good, 125 rupees. Third one. We have 100, another 100, a 50 rupees, 20 rupees. No coins here. Okay? Very easy. Now, when you have a lot of hundreds, say more than 100 rupee note, if you have 200 rupee notes, first you count out the hundreds. Okay? So, 100 and 100 gives us 200. Right? Now, remember 200 in your mind. 50 plus 20 makes 70. So 200 and the 70 put together gives us 270 rupees. Very good. Okay, children, are you ready for some more? Good. Let's start. Right. Let's see what the notes and coins are. Okay. There you go. So you have 200 rupee notes, 120 rupee note, a 10 rupee coin, and a 2 rupee coin. Let's add the notes first, right? So the 100 and 100 will make 200. The 200 and the 20 gives us 220. Now keep the 220 in your mind and we are going to add another 10. Very easy. 220 becomes 230, right? Now we are left out with the 2 rupee coin. 230 plus 2 gives us 232. Next one. Right. Here we have 400 rupee notes and a 50 rupee note and 2 rupee coins. Let's add the 100 rupee notes first. So 400 rupee notes gives us 400. That is very easy, right? So 400 plus 50 makes 450. Now keep 450 in your mind. And 2 makes 4. Very good. Now 450 and 4 makes 454 rupees. Well done, children. Now, children, we have come to the last bit of our lesson, right? Let's see the last two examples. Right, now you must be thinking there are too many notes here. No, don't worry, right? First, let's add the 100 rupee notes, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 100 rupee notes. That means how many hundreds? 5. So its total is 500, right? Now, let's add the 50 and the 20. 50 and 20 makes, very good, 50 and 20 makes 70. So 500 and the 70 makes 570. Very good, right? 570 plus the 2 rupees that is left there gives us 572. Well done, children. Last one for the day. There you go. That is very easy, isn't it? All 100 rupee notes, which is very easy for you to count. So 100, 100, 100 and 100. What's the total? 400, right? The two coins, 5 and 2 gives us 7. So what's the total here? 407 rupees. That was very easy, wasn't it? Well done, children. Very proud of you. Okay, children. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. So, what did we learn today? Can you remember? Right. Let's see. We looked at the coins and notes used in Sri Lanka. We learned how to count coins. We learned how to count notes. We learned how to count coins and notes together. And we also learned how to lay out coins and notes. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson, children. Until I meet you again, stay safe. Bye.